I don't like killing. Or at least that's what I like to tell myself. But you can't tell by the way I run around with this mosquito electrifying racket. I'm Angel, by the way. Hi. I wanted to share my favorite killing instrument. And that is this racket. If you press the button, you can see that light lights up. And of course, there are no mosquitoes showing up at the moment for our demonstration because they do seem uncannily intuitive that way, don't they? Nonetheless, I highly recommend this as an effective tool for personal use in your personal space. I use it a lot here in the Head Hutt and in my writing area and in my dragon room where I sit and contemplate. And you know that bothersome thing that happens when a mosquito comes around and zzz, or is biting you. Well, this will clear them out. And even, as you can see, even just sitting with it often keeps them away entirely. But a lot of times I notice they show up sort of in swarms of 2 or 3 or 5. That's when it's mellow. Obviously, could be a lot worse, right? I was hoping that one would come along while I was sitting here and help me demonstrate the shock. I will tell you that I've tested